Your glove box trim often gets chipped and pitted after extensive use in the interior. It can make a big difference to update your dash chrome with a quality reproduction. When you're ready, we've got you covered with the best reproduction on the market. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 and 5 Chevelle and El Camino glove box chrome trim. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM restoration parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. Depending on your vehicle, you can choose between Chevelle Malibu and Malibu SS or El Camino models. All glove box trims are manufactured from injection molded ABS plastic. Intricate details such as the size of the rib design on the chrome are accurately reproduced using case hardened steel tooling. This ensures an accurate part every time. At the end of production, our moldings are finished with a beautiful chrome plating in addition to satin black paint details where applicable. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.